her shoebox. So you guys never separated in the store. So it's not like she didn't know that you used her red bottom box to conceal items because one shoe per red bottom bag. The shoes were removed and replaced with clothing to stuff the bags.
That was my bag. That was my cover up that I spent $1,000 on right now. I just paid $1,000 for it.
Okay, and I just watched you on camera taking it off the shelves. Listen to me. I didn't do any of this to you. You did this, and you did this. Stop.
How does an ordinary shopping trip end in a felony arrest? In 2025, at a luxury department store, two women were detained by loss prevention on suspicion of theft. The concealment method that later shaped the felony charges centered on a single, ordinary-looking Christian Louboutin shoebox. Its shoes had been removed and replaced with stolen designer clothing worth over $5,000. Responding officers arrived at the store's loss prevention office to find both suspects already detained.
And ma'am, you next. You can come sit down. But you said she has a sex card, correct?
We have the receipts on her sex card, and they found the receipts of nothing like of the stuff that's in the bag.
All of this stuff?
Yeah, like all her stuff.
Gotcha. I told you to get off of the phone. The phone.
No, I know, but I'm just saying.
Alright, put the phone in the bag. Put the phone in the bag.
Can you give me a chance?
Put the phone in the bag.
I know, sweetie, but
Thank
can I look
you.
up the receipts for that stuff so she can see that that's the stuff that I purchased? I could pull it up on my phone.
But you said you have a sex. Okay, so you said it's Capital One or sex?
No, it's, you know, it's through the Bank of Capital One,
Alright.
but I could pull it up on my.
Let us finish our investigation, and then whatever question is asked, then you can go ahead and do whatever.
But I mean, that gives us.
Again, once it gets to that, then we'll go from there. I got you, but right now, while we're conducting an investigation, no one's going to be on their phones. And once it comes, and if he acts, because he's the primary officer on it, or if they say, hey, yeah, let's see if they have the receipt on the phone, then you go ahead. But right now, no phones while you're detained and we're conducting an investigation. So just allow us to finish. Allow them to finish doing what they're doing, and then you guys may get the chance to be able to get whatever receipts that you're saying you have. Okay. But it's from another Saks?
No, it's from this house.
This one?
Another day from this
Okay.
one.
So, and if that's the case, I'm pretty sure they may be able to pull it up. Was it purchased on both of you guys' card or one person? Different cards. Okay, so they may be able to pull it up. I'm pretty sure, because if you shop here, so.
Okay.
That's
This-
what I
Hold
want
on, hold on.
This-
I need to stay organized
This is
here.
paid for. This is not included into that receipt. So everything that we have a valid, another transaction for is the items that we have that do not have a valid proof of purchase that you stole.
But I
These-
didn't steal that because you didn't recover that from me, is what I'm trying to clarify.
Where did
with
the
you.
things go that were recovered? Those
Right
over
here.
here?
Okay.
Yes,
Alright.
all of that, yes.
That was exactly.
This, yes.
Exactly.
These are the items that this is the thing that we do. We saw who selected what. So what you selected is what you're being charged for. What you selected is what you're being charged for.
But that wasn't
She
for
has
me,
any
my
convictions
love, is
for
what I'm
So
trying
if
to
you're
say.
now you're gonna lie. It's
I'm
not
not lying, I bought the stuff
you
that was
bought
for
this.
me.
Yes.
That
All of
petty theft
this,
is
all of this
is
have
that
a valid
a
receipt
conviction?
for it.
Time
I
out,
verified
time
the
out.
SKUs on this.
Gotcha.
But what I'm
Correct?
trying to explain to you is the stuff that you got from me,
Guys,
I
just guys,
paid
stop,
for.
stop.
Yeah, you can
Time out.
send it to the PD.
All the stuff that was over here, is this both of their stuff that was recovered?
Thank you.
Okay. Can we separate it? Because I need to know which one is which.
All right, so do me a favor. So we don't everyone's speaking at once, so just wait, let them separate first, and then he will speak to you, because obviously he's dealing with you now, and then he'll go to her. I got you. So just wait, again, just wait, let them sort everything, and then once he does,
Just so I stay organized, because I get very, very quick.
I got you,
And then
just give me a
this
second.
Here, I see on this slip, on this receipt here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Yeah.
That's not
2,
mine.
3, 4. Okay, perfect. Put that here.
Wait, just wait. Susanna.
Bravo 36, Unit 10.
What you're telling
One
me.
second, ma'am. Susanna
One person
only.
at a time. You're gonna have a minute here in a second. Hold on, you don't have to get up. Do you have receipts for this stuff?
I have receipts.
Where is it?
For all the stuff that I paid. That's not my stuff. That's
That's-
what I'm
well, they
trying
found-
to explain to you.
Well, they recovered this on
No,
you.
they didn't recover it from me.
Where did you guys
They
recover
didn't
it?
recover it from me.
Alright, so
What bag?
at this point, they're gonna continue to lie.
Okay,
So-
I don't know.
But
Okay,
nobody's
but
lying.
but-
Why are you doing this
Hold
to
on.
me? I
One
paid
second.
for it.
Hey,
They're
hey,
not.
Susanna.
They're not.
Hey, let's, here, time out. Let's stop going back and forth, because that's just gonna get everyone fired up, right? This stuff was recovered in this bag?
Yes, they were taken out of.
Which
They were
bag?
taken out
One
of the
second,
shoebox.
one second,
The
one
shoebox.
second, one second.
Yeah, they were in a separate bag.
And she walked out holding it.
Yes.
No, I did not.
One
No, I did
second,
not. I
one
did not
second.
walk out
Stop
holding
talking,
that.
Susanna.
Please pull the camera back. That's
One
fucked up
second.
because I
You
did
guys
not
have
walk
video
out
footage?
holding
Once
that.
once he finished speaking, we're gonna get to the bottom of it before you see what he just said. He's asking for video footage to look at it. So you have to give us a second. We were not here. That's the reason for us being here. So now he's trying to look at the footage for it. Just 1 second.
Well, listen, at this point, you have to go somewhere else, okay? She left with that.
Please pull it where I want that.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Please, thank you.
Alright, well, come on, out. No. There's nothing in the elevator. Have a seat.
That you could see in the. Do you see the bag?
She's gonna pull it. She's gonna pull the
I
camera.
just feel like cop, like you
And she
should
know
be blamed for
when
something
they,
that just
when they
you
left the
tried.
store, right before you apprehended, who was holding what?
He doesn't want to hear it.
She's gonna pull it on.
Because if we need to move the values of the receipts around, we could do that.
She said that she'll give me a no trespass. I just can't come back
No?
because of
Hey,
what
listen, that's not up to her.
Oh no, I'm just
Alright,
telling you.
I'm telling you, you guys are both under arrest.
No, officer, I didn't
Alright.
say nothing. I'm just being honest with you. I don't want to get arrested
But just,
for something.
I'm
I
telling you,
didn't
right, time out, you keep talking over me, it's very rude, very disrespectful. I'm telling you what's gonna happen. You guys are right now both under arrest, you understand that part? Okay? So, I'm trying to figure out who took what, that's all.
Of course, that's
So
what
I
I'm
don't wanna
here.
charge you for something that she took, and
Yeah,
I'm not
of
gonna
course,
charge you for
of
something that she
course,
took,
Absolutely.
right?
It's
So
just-
we're gonna get to the bottom
I'm
of it.
just being super honest with you, honest.
Okay, well, you haven't been up until this point,
Well,
right?
what
Because
what
you told-
matters
you
based
told me
off
you brought
the
this stuff
footage?
in, and I just watched you on camera taking it off the shelves.
But that, once you're
She
in the
left
fitting
it in
room,
the
I
fitting
left it
room.
in the fitting room.
But
That's not
before,
my problem.
but listen, Susanna, you told me you brought this stuff in
You
to return it.
misunderstood.
It was
Look
the
what's
other-
in
No,
there.
I heard
They
you
look
loud and clear.
similar.
I have two bathing suits.
And I feel like, no,
But your officer.
I'm not charging you with any of that
No,
stuff.
but you misunderstood what I was trying to tell you is the bathing suit that she pulled out, that she said if I had receipts for, that's what I had.
Time out.
That's all Melissa.
And then, huh?
That's Melissa's
That's
receipt.
mine.
Sorry, this?
Yeah, she's saying that in this register.
I walked out with that bag right there. That was my bag. That was my cover up that I spent $1,000 on right now. I just paid $1,000 for it.
Okay.
And I bought that bathing
All
suit.
right. Time out. Let me think, please. Please. I'm not gonna tell you one more time.
All right. So she had knowledge because she said that you left the stuff. She left the stuff, and you decided to take the stuff.
No, but she didn't see me.
No, but that's what she said.
No, I said that I just left.
Yeah, that you left it, and you decided that you wanted. It's literally recorded. I can replay what she said, and you end up taking the stuff.
But no,
So that's the thing. Understood that you
Yeah,
are the
she
one.
sees
Listen,
that.
you're understood that you're the one that took the stuff, but she had knowledge of it and she participated because you used her bags to conceal as well as her shoebox. So you guys never separated in the store. So it's not like she didn't know that you used her red bottom box to conceal items, because one shoe per red bottom bag, the shoes were removed and replaced with clothing to stuff the bags. You guys never separated. It's a different thing if you guys separated in the store and then you had the items.
She didn't know till right now what's going on.
Think about it right now.
The officer's on-scene explanation tracks a well-established Supreme Court doctrine. That $5,000 figure is the entire legal engine driving the felony classification in this case. Grand theft becomes a felony at just $750 in Florida and $950 in California. At this dollar amount, this incident cleared the felony threshold in every single state in the country. But only one of the two women physically removed items, raising a critical question about her companion's criminal exposure. The answer lies in Rosemond versus United States, decided by the Supreme Court in 2014. Rosemond requires that an accomplice have advanced knowledge and take an affirmative step to facilitate the crime. Mere presence is never enough, but providing the physical means of concealment absolutely is. Here the companion's own shopping bags and her Louboutin box became the vehicles for smuggling the stolen goods. The two women never separated inside the store and exited together carrying the concealed merchandise. Under Rosemond, the combination satisfies both the knowledge and the facilitation elements of accomplice liability. With probable cause fully established for both suspects, officers turn to pre-booking procedures.
Trying things on and not watching.
No, I get that. No, I get that. I get what you're saying. I definitely get what you're saying. No, again, I get what you're saying. I understand what you're saying as well. But what I'm saying.
I came in with that bag.
Only because you have to friend, you know, and it's not their fault. It's all my fault.
I got you.
I got the real.
Up to you guys to take. Well, obviously your phone isn't here, correct?
Everything you put up, whatever you
Your phone isn't here,
whatever you put up. Everything.
so we're gonna take your phone. Or you wanna leave your phone?
I'll take my phone's dead, honestly. It
Where is
doesn't
it?
even
So
matter.
it's in her. I'll put it in her bag.
All right, take your phone. That's it.
You could leave my purse in her car.
That's fine.
We're gonna make sure it's secure. I just need. This is your phone?
Yeah, that's hers.
Okay,
No,
you don't need
I
it
was
right
putting it
now.
right there. Yeah. So,
All right. These
Yep.
are.
but we're gonna.
I'm sorry. Where's your phone? I just want to look at it.
It's in her purse. I put it in her
Let's grab
purse.
it.
It's dead.
All right. No. What do you have? An iPhone?
Yeah.
All right. I'll charge it for you. So you have some battery in it.
You want to take your purse with you?
To the car?
No, to the
Yeah.
jail.
I'm gonna put that in the car. Is that okay with you?
But lock it.
But why? What happened?
Huh? You're going to jail.
But why, office?
He
Okay.
already explained.
I'm done talking to you. I have nothing else to say.
Please don't do
Listen to me. I didn't do any of this to you. You did this, and you did this. Stop.
I didn't steal that. That wasn't mine. Look what I paid for.
Sit down.
Please don't take me to jail.
That's
Please.
fine. You want to take your watch? You keep your watch on.
Don't do
You want
it.
to
Please,
email me?
please.
Or,
Lady, por favor,
I'm gonna need that for
please.
stuff tonight.
Mommy, please.
I'll do it.
Please, I didn't do that.
I will be.
I didn't steal. Please don't let them do this to me because I really didn't do it.
You are?
They were gonna put it on when I walked down the officer.
Yeah.
Please,
Got it. I'll bring it back.
Did they see it on the camera? I know.
remember when you said I came to officer. She said that it's your decision.
You taking that watch?
Huh?
She said it was
Take, yes.
You taking that watch?
She said it's his decision.
You can keep the.
Please.
What, like, you want to keep it
I'll
on?
write my email on there. So you just email me when you say. You don't rush.
Please, I beg you, I didn't
Because that makes my life
Please
simple.
don't do
Any of that stuff you want to take off? Earrings, bracelet, whatever.
Officer.
No, you can't have the hair tie.
Why are they taking?
You have to take the hair tie out.
Please, You saw what I walked out with.
It's up to him, and he doesn't. You saw it in the camera.
I paid for everything that I got.
Just put it on mine, Wiley.
You know what I did.
Oh,
It's not like going in.
No.
She said that, but it's
The wristband,
she did.
Okay.
And the hair tie.
I make the decisions, okay?
But that's what I'm trying to tell you. I walked out with the stuff that I paid for.
She walked out with the stuff she paid
put that
for.
in here, the anklet.
I thought these ones were these ones.
I don't get why. I'm just. They're giving you a trespassing, right?
Yeah,
No
that's what she was
trespassing.
gonna do. Officer.
You can't take those piercings out, nose and.
She was doing no trespassing.
Alright, stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
You don't want to
Stand
take any of your stuff off, so
Stand
that's
up, please.
same thing for you. Stand up.
Turn around, please. Give me your
Put
wrist.
your hands on your back.
Give
Turn
me
them in
your
like you're
wrist.
praying. Turn them in like you're praying. Turn them
Turn
in
around.
like you're
Turn
praying.
around.
Didn't do it.
Turn them in like this. Look, turn them in like that.
I didn't want you taking me to
Stop.
jail. Please don't do this because why would you take the innocent person to jail when I spent $1,500 just now? I didn't steal.
Stop.
Please, that's something I walked out with wasn't even that. That wasn't my stuff.
let's go.
Please, officer, I beg you.
No, I'm done with this.
Please, but what do you mean when you said it was you were gonna take an innocent person to jail?
I'm not. Are you able to carry this stuff out? Perfect. Thank you.
Officer,
Let's go. You
please.
good?
Officer, please. I
No,
didn't.
don't work like that.
Please, I'm telling you.
Beyond the emotional arrest itself, this encounter reveals several distinct legal issues.
I didn't steal that stuff.
A separate legal thread running through the encounter is the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Neither suspect ever invoked that right even after formal arrest was announced by the primary officer. Every subsequent statement, including detailed familiarity with merchandise prices, became usable evidence for the prosecution. The initial detention here was performed not by police, but by store loss prevention under the merchant's privilege doctrine. That common law rule permits retailers to detain suspected shoplifters for a reasonable time pending law enforcement arrival. The primary officer earns a B+ for methodical evidence handling and a clear on-scene explanation of the accomplice theory. The cover officer earns an A- for consistently calm, supportive conduct throughout an emotionally charged arrest process. The primary actor earns an F, compounding a felony theft with continued denial against overwhelming surveillance evidence. The companion earns a D, genuinely culpable under Rosemond, but at a lower level than the principal actor. First lesson: felony grand theft. Thresholds are surprisingly low, often under $1,000 in stolen value. Second lesson: accomplice liability never requires handling stolen items yourself. Providing cover or means is enough. Third lesson: once an arrest is announced, the smartest legal move is silence, not continued argument. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.